lift, steel pulse. So this thing here, besides this thing, Rocksteady Reggae has a little bass line. The first time I heard it, it freaked me out because I didn't know what was going on. I just knew it was different than anything else I've ever heard before. And this bass line kind of dances around underneath. Doesn't always play one. Does something like this, check it out. And I decided I wanted to write a song in which I would play the chords, play the bass line, and sing the lyrics all at the same time. That's right. Now, some people have said to me, oh, that's genius. But that's crap. It's not genius, ladies and gentlemen. It's work. That's right. It's work because, you know, some of you might not realize, but I have all day to do this. So I turn on the radio in the morning with my coffee, I hear the traffic report, and I'm like, yeah, I get to play reggae. Y'all are stuck in traffic, I get to play reggae. So I can do this all day. And you can do it all day, and you can repeat it over and over again. It starts to sound like genius, you know. So I went downstairs and I worked on this thing for a while. And I finally got the bass line and the chords going. So check this out. Check it out. I did it a few times without making any mistakes. And did I keep practicing? No. I went upstairs and I poured myself a big old shot of cognac to celebrate, you know, my accomplishments. As I was sucking on down the last drop of cognac, I remembered that I had forgotten about the lyrics. I got so busy with this bass line chord thing that I forgot that I actually had a song I was supposed to be singing. But you know, sometimes when you drink a whole glass of cognac with the rapidity that I drank it, you start to feel pretty good, you know, pretty warm inside, and pretty confident. You know. So I was like, lyrics? No problem, I'm a genius. So I went back downstairs and I picked up my guitar and it sounded like this. Check it out. To cry and shame, to lose the game as a prisoner in a big grave. Oh, it was a big mess. Because you know, sometimes alcohol can give you the confidence without the ability. That's right, y'all know what I'm talking about. So I worked on it for a few more weeks and I got it together. I'm going to play it for y'all now. Put it all together. It's called Invisible Chain. to lose the game as a prisoner in a picture frame made for you and me. For you we could see the invisible chains, invisible chains. Why do we fight both day and night? Doesn't matter who's wrong or right, the end is still the same. We're breaking from the stream of the invisible chains, invisible chains. When I was a little boy, vivid dreams were my favorite toy. Sweet music set me free. I closed my eyes to see the invisible chains, invisible chains. Now I'm going to be a man, gonna make my way with my own two hands. Wish I could be absolutely free from the invisible chains, invisible chains. Toward my redemption, these prisons of my own invention. What will it take to capture my attention? Love will help me see dark sheet that's inside of me. It holds these invisible chains, invisible chains. Where there's a will, there's a way. There's a will, there's a way to break these invisible chains. Oh, yeah.